So this item is coming all the way from the UK. I purchased it on Sunday. Today is Thursday and it's already here. I can't believe it. In Australia right now, to order something from Sydney to Melbourne, it goes Sydney, Melbourne, to Perth, to Brisbane, back to Sydney to arrive back into Melbourne. Doesn't make sense, does it? And that takes 3 weeks. Work that one out. Thanks Farfetch for being so fast with your deliveries. So I'm sitting here looking for a new job, editing some videos on YouTube, having a sip of my Earl Grey tea with a dash of milk. Controversial, I know, but anyway, I love it. I received a text message from DHL letting me know that I have a delivery coming today. I was out walking with my great friend Hillel on Sunday. Today's Thursday. This item's come all the way from the UK and it's here today. I can't wait. So during this walk, I said to her, I really need to buy something. So I got onto Farfetch. I scrolled through the app and I came across this item and I just went, oh my God, look at this, Hillel. She said, you need to buy it. So I went, okay, it's the last pair in my size, in the country, and quite possibly in the world. Who knows? It's no longer available on Farfetch. So I'm so excited to get it today and to show you what it looks like. Now, did I mention that it's coming from the UK? So 6 hours later, it's arrived. It didn't come packaged like this. It came in the Farfetch box, but I took it out and placed it into a shopping bag from the same brand. I'm guessing you can guess what it is. So here we go. I'll take it out. And we have some shoes. I'm very excited about this. Watch the candle. Now, the thing that attracted me to these shoes were the colors initially. I do love the retro shape of these. And, this here. And I love the combination of fabric. So it's got some textiles and then it's got some suede panels. I love the round toe. I love that it's got some winter and summer colors all together. So I can wear it all seasons. Extremely trans-seasonal, and it's extremely off-white with that floating arrow on the side there, and obviously with the off-white tie. The reason why I have that bag, the carry bag, is because I purchased a hoodie. So this is my second off-white product and I can't wait to try them on. So what do you think? Do you like them? I love them. I love the colors. Like I said before, I didn't see this when I first got them out, which was the color contrasting stitching on the back there. I love the subtlety and the comical way he goes about designing things is being literal by putting shoelace on the shoelace. I do love the pink here. I love the maroon suede panel at the front. This is really big and bulky. I'm sure I'll get used to it. What do you think I should do? Do you think I should send them back, or do you think I should add them to my wardrobe? Now, these shoes would absolutely look amazing with a pair of shorts, a pair of jeans, a pair of chinos, a pair of cargo pants, and also a pair of suit pants. All seasons, any type of day, I'll spray them with protector spray because it's got that parachute fabric there. And I just think it will add just a really nice different variety into my shoe collection. Now, if you like these types of videos, give this video a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell notification just so you're up to date on when I do release videos. I do release all different types of videos, so please be a part of my little family and I hope to see you soon. See you. Thanks for watching.